For some reason, yeah, somehow no one in the hospital then security check asked me any questions. I was just like, yeah, old oil filter coming through. Okay, so good morning, and good morning. Wake up, it's time to work. So last night, I bent the rest of the table full of pipes. We're gonna fill that table back up today. So I've got my bending cut out for me, and how'd the cutting go this morning? Good?
Good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Glenver beat Radford 3-0 last night.
The region finals.
Tyler here had 2 assists.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
That's our,
Make him work for it, dude.
That's our 5th region final win in a row.
Yeah, that's sick. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Looks like we'll be making a new state champ memorial sometime.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got a few more games. I think we got 2 more, then it's the final.
Well, so your records, you just hit 20-0?
No, we just hit 18,
0-0.
And that is our 16th or 17th shutout. So, like, not getting scored on. So.
You trying to beat Glenver in soccer, you can't. You can't do it, can't be done. But these are all ready. So these are all ready to be welded. These 2 need to be addressed a little bit. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6, 26, 8, 30, 2, 4, 6, 37. Awesome. So we're almost exactly halfway there.
Yeah.
So I guess we can load the table full of another round of pipes, fire up the bending. I would like to end the day, so here's how I want the day to go. I think now till lunch, we'll bend and cut as many as we can. And then after lunch, I would like to hopefully have everything marked and we can take them off the table. And I'd like to start setting the table up to jig the bottom pieces.
Yeah.
To actually start welding these things together. Because we can take our drawings, we've got 18 of the 4 hoop racks and 1 of the 3 hoop racks. But basically, all we really need to do is take all those square tubes, sort of the same thing, stack them all together and draw a line, 1 5/8 in, 36 1/4 in, 36 1/4. Draw a line across the tube where the staples are going to connect. That way, when we hit the jig table, we know exactly where they're going to go. We can tack it, stick a level on it, tack it again, and then weld it out.
Awesome.
We're getting over the big hump, man.
Yeah.
After this, it's just putting all the pieces together. So that's what we're going to do today. I'd like to end the day with a handful of racks completely fabricated, except for the plasma cut panels. We'll get Spike to do that when he's back from vacay. You guys are kind of taking pretty big advantage of the 30% off sale with Spike Hates Shipping, so thank you. And Spike's really gonna hate shipping when he comes back from vacation. He's got a lot of t-shirts to bag up. But yeah, for the rest of this month, Spike Hates Shipping on liftarcstudios.com gets you 30% off all of our shirts. Get rid of them all for us. We need to make room for new merch, so thank you guys for supporting us.
Tyler, you got a shirt?
I have not
We
yet.
gotta get you some shirts.
I will get one.
Yeah, before they sell out.
Hopefully, yeah.
No, I'm gonna give you a handful for free.
Oh, okay. Sweet.
Yeah.
Free merch.
This is better than winning regions.
Yeah. Not even close. So we're gonna load that table, mark them all, and start bending and doing all that again. So cue the montage. Let's finish some racks. Well, I'm taking the end of our lunch break to pack some orders. You guys have shown up in numbers using the Spike Hates Shipping discount code on our online store to help us clear out the rest of our merch. thank you very much. And I love these 2 t-shirt designs. We've had very, very good feedback. So Tyler's helped me lay the rest of these orders out. Not gonna show you in detail, but these are the packing slips, and so we're just gonna start. Actually, you could, without filming them, I'll give people some shout outs. Shout out to Mike, Brandon, Thomas, Brandon, Wesley, Josh, Ben, who you got over here? Sean, Brian, Curtis, Scott. Who you got, Tyler?
Greg, Jim, John, Kyle, Jaron, Daniel. Sorry if I mispronounced this. Junilla?
Yeah, Janila. Cool.
Janila.
Cool name.
Yeah. And then Annette.
Hey.
Well, here.
Sorry if I mispronounced.
That's A. It's okay.
This is great.
How many is this?
It's a lot. So I made these stickers as a joke because Sticker Mule likes to send me emails when things are on sale. This is a photoshopped portrait of Spike with his eyes crossed the other way. And they're not super nice stickers. They're low quality stickers. But as long as we have them, everyone who uses the code Spike Hates Shipping to get 30% off our merch will be getting one of these.
Until we run out.
The Spike Hates stickers. I am now about to bend my very last tube, the 78th, 79th or 80th probably, because I've done a few wrong. 80th staple, that means I've done this I've done 160 bends. Take you guys along for the last one. I'll run you through one whole cycle in real time. All right, put a timer on the clock. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. getting the absolute most out of my 10-year-old JD Squared Model 32 tubing bender. JD Squared is not a sponsor, but they could be if you're watching. I'll probably end up mounting this, building a stand for that, mounting this to the stand, or so the base of the stand or something, you know, whole thing. But sure is nice, once you have it deployed, it sure is nice to have it on the fixture table like this. But anyway, there it is. That was everything I just did in that session. And we've got a bunch over here ready to go. They might need to be tweaked out a little bit or in a little bit, but you can tweak them by hand as we place them and weld them. Next week, bike racks come together. Woohoo! That'll do it for this episode of the month of fabrication. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you to everyone who's bought shirts. We've sold a lot of them. Shout out, discount code Spike Hates Shipping, 30% off all of our shirts. There's not a whole lot left, and our quantities are honestly not fully updated. So if you get an email from us saying, sorry, the shirt you ordered is out of stock, I do apologize. Spike has been on vacation, and I've been trying to do everything here myself, and I'm really tired. And it's 4 o'clock on a Friday, and I'm gonna go home. Thank you, like and subscribe, appreciate it. See you tomorrow.